Want to start using the DHGate app to shop online, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install DHGate. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download DHGate, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in DHGate at the top. Tap DHGate when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the DHGate app. That's all it takes to download DHGate. Want to try out other online shopping apps? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.